afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 9. The instruction here says that we should look out for the option among the list of options provided that is almost nearly opposite a meaning to the underlying word. And in this sentence, the underlying word is green. Green. Literally and figuratively, green means inexperience. When's inexperience or young. So that is the meaning of. Then the sentence says the older people are expected to be dash where youths are green. So option A means experienced. Option A says experience, and experience means old or old age, means wise, and so on and so forth, or qualified. Then cautious means careful or sensible. The option C simply means equipped, means fits out or furnished. Then considerate means caring, and the opposite of caring can or considerate can be inconsiderate. So from the analysis of the underlying word, you find out that the word that can function as the opposite of the underlying word is option A, which is experience, because literally or figuratively, green simply means inexperienced or young, and so on and so forth. Therefore, for option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you, and share and subscribe for more of our videos.